So today I wanted to make a video about a problem I was having with my AC. The thing is, when I turned the AC on in the house, the blower would come on and the air would come out of the vents, but it wouldn't be cold. So I went out to the compressor and found out that the compressor wasn't coming on. And what I did was troubleshooted, took the panel off the side here, and took out the capacitor, which actually starts the compressor. And I found out that this one was bulging, which you can see is really bulged out right here. And that would show you that the capacitor is bad and it wouldn't start the compressor outside. So what I did was I went to Amazon and ordered another one. And what you'd want to do is make sure you have the same specifications. This one's a 35.5 370 volt, and I ordered another one, Capcom, and that one has the same specs as the one I took out, and you can see this one's not bulged. So if you're having a problem with your AC and it's not starting, you might want to take a look at your capacitor. Mine was pretty obvious because you can see that it was totally bulged out on the sides here, and actually starting to leak a little bit on the top. So, but the main thing you'll want to do when you take it out is make sure you mark your wires. Make sure the wires you take off, they got to go on exactly the same way. So on mine it was a common red, fan was a purple wire, and Herm compressor was yellow. So you got to make sure you write that down before you put it back in. And you'll look on your capacitor and you'll see that it's labeled Herm, common, and fan. And you'll want to order a similar size and dimensions. I mean, if you can get the same one, mine's a little bit shorter, but that doesn't make a difference because the specifications are the same. So this one has the same markings. You got, see if we can focus it. Anyway, Herm, common, and fan. So that might solve your problem if you're having an issue with your compressor not starting. You'll want to either test your capacitor or take a look at it and see if it's bulging or it's got a problem. If it's not bulging, test it. You know, get a capacitor tester, an electronic tester, but I didn't have to test it. I could see what was going on. So that's hopefully going to help you with your issue if you're not having a cold house and your compressor's not running. So hope that solves your problem too. Okay.